So I finished Chainsaw Man. It's a manga where a dude merges with a devil and has chainsaws all over his body. Yeah, to people it may seem a bit lame, but if you actually read all of the manga it's pretty great. There are a couple of things. The art style. This isn't some generic manga art, mind you. This has some wicked and cool art that I'm like, whoa. Quote. This has some high quality art which I definitely dig. It's not as bombastic or crazy like Berserk, One Punch Man or Record of Ragnarok, but it's pretty great if you ask me. The second reason why I like this manga is 2. The characters are likable. All of these characters are super cool and likable in a non-cringy way. They have cool personalities that make me feel attached to them. I found all the characters to have interesting and well-written personalities, but the main dude I want to talk is Denji, the protagonist. This guy is literally the opposite of Ash Ketchum, Yugi Muto, Naruto, Goku, Luffy, Izuku Midoriya, Natsu Dragneel, and Asta. All this guy wants is to get a lot of food and touch some chicken. That's literally it. But maybe it's because he's vulgar and crude, but he just comes off as likable and well-developed for me. He undergoes a lot of character arcs in my opinion. And finally, 3. The fight scenes. This manga has some of the most visceral and brutal fight scenes I have ever read. It's super bloody and insane in a good way. The fight scenes are visually engaging and I really enjoy it. So overall, I got to say that I really liked Chainsaw Man. It's not perfect, but it's a fantastic manga that I would recommend. Plus Mappa is going to animate this, and although I'm not a fan of Mappa abusing its animators, I think a lot of people will enjoy Chainsaw Man. So I'm giving Chainsaw Man a 9 out of 10. Just kidding, tears of joy.